Hi guys, welcome to the Natural Angle. My name is Hitesh, and in today's video we will be talking about the steppe eagle. Do you know that the steppe eagle is a national bird of Egypt? A steppe eagle lays around 1 to 3 eggs, and that too in a stick nest on a tree. The young ones are white in color. The immature turns into light brown and the adults turn into dark brown. And the young steppe eagle is referred to as a fledgling or an eaglet. They was once considered to be closely related to the tawny eagle, but the molecular analysis indicates that these birds are not even closer to each other. In terms of habitat, they prefer open, dry habitats such as desert, semi-desert, steppes or savannas, but they can be found in the mountains as well.